What's up, world? I'm here with some information that the banks and the government don't want you to know. This information will let you know how you can buy solar with no money out of pocket, plus get a fat tax rebate at the end of the year. Click the link below to continue and learn this information for free. Okay, guys, so here's that information that I promised you. So you can, for a limited time, still get your solar panels installed on your home and see huge, massive savings in your electricity bill, all while the government pays for that installation. Plus, you're going to get a huge tax rebate during tax time that's equal to 30% of the cost of the system. It's a no-brainer. So I know it's natural to be a little skeptical because it sounds too good to be true, right? But I can assure you tens of thousands of people are switching to solar, have switched to solar, and are saving thousands, wiping away their electric bills. If you want to learn more and see how much you can save, if it's available in your area, and if you qualify, just fill out the short form below, and we will get in touch with you.